Perfecting your eyeshadow takes dedication, hard work, and a ton of practice. But some game-changing hacks can make eyeshadow application so much easier. Hi guys, मैं हूँ स्मृति और आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ 5 eyeshadow hacks that every girl should try. वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमारे BeBeautiful चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे भी टैप करें ताकि आप हमेशा नोटिफाइड रहो विद आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस। आज मैं ये eyeshadow palette यूज कर रही हूँ The Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in Stilettos. लेफ्ट आईलिड को मैंने कंसीलर से प्रेप किया है और राइट आईलिड पे मैंने बिना किसी कंसीलर के आईशैडो लगाने वाली हूँ so that you can see the difference between the two. All you gotta do is prep your eyelids with a lighter shade of concealer. Prepping the eyes with a concealer that's about 2 shades lighter than your actual skin tone will make the eyeshadow color stand out. At the same time, it will ensure that the color stays vibrant for a longer period of time. Reason being, applying a concealer will knock off discoloration and create a bright, smooth base for the eyeshadows to contrast against. अब एक flat brush से मैं ये bright blue eyeshadow दोनों eyelids पे pat करूँगी। क्या आप difference देख सकते हैं? Pretty evident, right? Do try this hack out. The second eyeshadow hack is to use eyeshadows as colored eyeliners. For this hack, you will need any colored eyeshadow of your choice, a small angled brush and a small bowl of water. सबसे पहले select the color of your choice. मैं ये mint green color use करने वाली हूँ. Then dip an angled brush in water, take off the excess and then dip it into the eyeshadow. Water will help the eyeshadow turn into a chalk-like paste which when dried will turn matte. Go ahead and create your favorite eyeliner style and you're done. In addition to colored eyeliner, there's another eye look that's been gaining popularity. I'm talking about glossy eyelids. But let me show you a hack to create shiny, glossy eyelids. सबसे पहले eyeshadow shade choose करें. It can either be a shimmer or a matte eyeshadow. मैं इस palette में से ये champagne shade use कर रही हूँ. Just scrape it on a plate, then mix some Vaseline in it. Dab this mixture all over the eyelids. Then using Q-tips, clean out any mishap, especially at the corners. Finish off the look by applying mascara. The fourth hack is to create a metallic lipstick look using a glitter eyeshadow. अगर आपके पास metallic lipstick नहीं है, तो this hack is for you. Start by applying your favorite lipstick. मैं ये red shade use कर रही हूँ. Now to create a metallic effect, I'm going to dab a bit of this golden glitter eyeshadow on the center of the lips. You can also dab it on the cupid's bow. Blend out the edges and you're done. Adding a metallic color on the center of your lips will instantly pucker up your pout. Would you believe if I told you that the secret to a perfect cut crease is a spoon? This makeup hack is an absolute gem. और अगर आप सोच रहे हैं how to perfect the cut crease eyeshadow look, then do give this a try. इस look के लिए मैं ये smokey eyeshadow palette use कर रही हूँ because it has the perfect colors to create an easy cut crease. This is the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in Smoke and Glam. सबसे पहले sweep this neutral eyeshadow all across the eyelids. Now for the cut crease, I'm going to dip into the light and dark brown shades. Then place a spoon so the hollow portion cups your eye. Align the spoon along the line of the crease where you want the cut crease to be. Sweep these two colors using a small pointed blending brush and blend upwards till the brow bone. Remove the spoon and sweep a shimmery eyeshadow just at the center of the eyelid. Do not disturb the cut crease that you have just created. Line your eyes with an eyeliner and wing it a little and finish the look with a mascara. So guys, उम्मीद है आपको ये 5 eyeshadow hacks that every girl should try पसंद आया होगा. Do try these hacks and let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. जाने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें, हमारे BeBeautiful चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे भी रिंग करें to stay updated with all our latest videos and I'll catch you in the next one.